it's morning. Various IoT devices, including automatic curtains, remind me of my wake-up time every day. I start most days like this. Do you guys know that I'm a big fan of Crayon Shin-chan? I love Crayon Shin-chan pajamas. Today, I would like to talk a little about how this bedroom has changed and the story behind it. When I first moved into this house, this room looked like this. Originally, there was built-in closet here. They made the room look smaller. And actually, I prefer to manage clothes separately in a dressing room. As expected, there was mold in the place where the built-in closet was. I wiped them clean with blacks and plastered them again. And I made my own plans for how to decorate this place. That's how the bedroom was made. Last month, my family held the first memorial service for my father, who died suddenly last year. Oh, in Korea, there is a culture where ancestral rites are held once a year for a dead. My father's death was so sudden and unimaginable that the first memorial service reminded me of various emotions that I couldn't express in words. After holding a memorial service, I came back to my house alone, but somehow my mood was down and my heart was very complicated. I thought I should send my current thoughts to another place while changing the furniture arrangement a little. But it didn't end with changing the furniture layout. So from now on, I would like to share the record with you. This door has my last memory with my dad. This door was the biggest and heaviest of all the doors in this house. So it was hard to reform it alone. So I reformed this door with help of my family. There was also an interesting episode where I accidentally locked myself in a room while attaching a doorknob. But it was late to get me out of the room, so we couldn't have dinner together. And my family had to go home. I never imagined that my father's appearance on that day would be the last for me. Lord, shouldn't Daddy have allowed us to meet just once before he died? God suddenly and without warning took my dad to a far place. There's a small bathroom in the bedroom. This door was small, so I could easily walk alone. Actually, my dad was the original DIY king. When I was young, my dad made me many things. Every time I remodel and make various things in this house, I think of my dad. Maybe my dad is watching me from somewhere and is thinking, oh, that's my daughter. This time, I put a coil mat on this bathroom and made a bathroom for my cat, 냐. I turned this place into a cat bathroom so it's comfortable for me and my cat, and she's able to enjoy contemplation by the window like this. This is an old bed that I've had since I lived somewhere else. I bought some new furniture when I moved here, but it made my eyes a bit uncomfortable. Because they didn't match the color of the bed, I decided to reform my bed. First of all, I removed the bedding and things from the bed, like this. And sanded the surface of the bed. And I painted the bed. I used wood stain that can change the color while maintaining the characteristics of the wood. This house is wooden floor, but I really didn't like the color of it. So I gave it a little change with tile carpets. Blue carpets are in vogue these days, so I wanted to avoid blue. But I chose blue one because my furniture seems to go best with blue. On top of this, I put the old Parisian carpet that I used to use. And I changed the location of the air purifier and the dressing table. Whew, it was heavy. And I organized various things and cleaned the room. I change or clean my house when I have a complicated mind, when I feel depressed, or when I lose my will to live. What do you do when you have a complicated mind? When you feel depressed?
'Cause I'm a lucky man because I have you. Lucky man because I hold you. Lullaby that I wrote for you. You break my heart and then you fix it. The puzzle piece has been missing. A lullaby that I wrote